Hey loves, how are you doing? How is everyone doing? This side I'm doing great and everything is going on well. As you can see from the title, I'm doing my updated single room house tour before I move out because I'm moving out in the next 2 weeks. I've made a lot of memories in this room. I've stayed here for around 5 months and it's high time I change here. It's high time we change, so let's go direct. Let's start the video, so kindly stick with me. Subscribe if you haven't, comment down how you feel about my room, and also do not forget to like, share to your friends. I love you so much. The door, this is what you'll see. I've washed the beddings, so that's why the mattress is, there's no mattress cover, there's no any bed sheet. I've washed everything. So as I was saying, these are the last days of me in this house. I moved in May and I'm moving out in November. Only five months in this place, but I literally loved the place. It is so cool. So you can see that was my kitchen space. I'm saying was because I'm going to move out in less than 3 weeks. I'll be out of this house, not even 3 weeks, 2 weeks. So that is my kitchen space. You can see there is my cooking pots, my bucket, and then it was a single room. That was my only window. Then that is my bed, my cup, beautiful plant. Coming this side, there is my decor. Yeah. So I'm doing this video because I want to come back one day and see where I was living when I was in this place. But I've literally made so many memories in this place that I love. So that is my closet space, and have those two water storage containers. Yeah. So let me hope you're understanding that in a living room, in a single room, hakuna space ya closet. That was my door. Hapo ndo nilikuwa nimesimama, and I'm now on the window side. That is what you see. Then now my beautiful mirror, that is my mirror. You see that holding the planter, I got it the other day from a local shop. It was being sold at 150. I've reviewed it in my last video, so kindly go and check it out. Even there's a shot of it. That is my working station, my ring light, and the new tripod that I recently got. And coming beside, you can see my warehouse, that carton box, I call it I place my shopping there. Then on top we have these decor pieces, the decor pieces there. That's a picture of me. So guys, I'm planning to move out. I literally loved this place, but it's high time I move out. You will understand why I'm moving out, but there is a video of me I did when opening a certain letter. So let me hope you are relating now. So I'm moving out. I love everything about this place, but I have to move out. I have to move out. So thank you for being part of me in this space. Thank you for sticking by since, and then thank you for my day ones who subscribed when I was at 1 video, and now I'm around at 200 and something videos. So kindly, those who have not subscribed, subscribe please, like, comment, share my videos. Yeah, share my videos. So this is my space, but for real I'll miss this space. Look at the way the ceiling was very good. I will miss this space for real. Let me see. Hakuna light, but I will literally miss this space. So this is my, hiyo ni mlango. I have these sheer curtains. So kutoka mlango nakuja kwa hii side. I had literally decorated the space, but I'm moving guys. I'm moving. But I love it. Everything and where I got each and everything. That my extension is from Kilimall. That one from Kilimall. All my plants are from Stage Market, where Stage Market is in Nairobi. All of them are artificial. I am not a plant mom, because taking care of plants requires total sacrificial. I cannot do that. Then this is my kitchen space. Yeah, I love everything about this house. Yeah. And I love the way that brow basket is making that plant to look. I feel it is looking so pretty. Tell me in the comment section whether I should get more, but the one that is a bit bigger, hiyo inakaa ndogo for holding that plant. Natafuta yenye ni kubwa kiasi. Yeah, I love this. Nitatafutia hii pia. Hii aina nitaitafutia. Then those are my pampas grass. This is my pampas grass. Nilinunua kitambo. So I have plugged you because I always get questions where I got my plants. I got them from Stage Market. Even the pampas grass, this one, I got them from Stage Market. Yeah, and Stage Market is in Nairobi. If you know Kamkunji, you will know where Stage Market is. But when you're at Kamkunji, you can just ask someone, because it's not very far from Kamkunji. Yeah. So thank you for being with me. Thank you for the memories we've made in this house. So cheers to more coming. Cheers to more growth in this channel also. Cheers to everything. I love you all. Bye. So before I end this video, I just want you to subscribe to my channel. Take 1 minute and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And then don't forget to like. When you like, it helps YouTube to recommend my video, and also it helps my channel to grow. Please, we're on the road to 1000 subscribers, so if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And thank you for 500 and something subscribers. I'm hoping by the time I'll be uploading this video, maybe I'll be at 600 and something. So thank you guys. I love you all. Till next time. Bye.